I am now going to prepare my lunch, and this is going to be this one, the siomai. In case you don't know, this is just $2.50 in Woolworth. Regular price is $5. Yeah, this is it. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Yeah, 2:05 when I sign out. It looks like it is going to rain anytime soon. You can see the clouds on that side. This morning is actually raining when I come to work, and at the moment this camera doesn't have the microphone. I mean the external microphone. I remove it because there is rain. Oh, there is two dolphins together. You don't see it. Yeah, we come here because we are going to take money from that ATM machine. You know, the driver, they always let the people go first. Yeah, we're going to the Asian shop to buy pork crackling for the mungo. I hope they are open because, you know, last time 2 days ago they are closed. Yes, they are open. Okay, we are home and I'm reheating the rice. Yeah, these are the things that I bought in the Asian store. They don't have Filipino soy sauce, that's why I take this Thai soy sauce. I also took one pork crackling and 2 pieces of this bitter gourd. Yeah, and then I'm just going to change and we'll be, yeah, just in the room. Oh, I'm going to pay the house rent. Looks like there is no more pods. Okay, it's raining now. I will not be able to finish that bike. Onion, tomato, and this bitter gourd. And then this olive oil here. We're going to put some egg. 2 pieces of egg. And this is how it is now. I actually took already some with my rice. Yeah, and again there is no more rain. Yo, still good afternoon guys. Yeah, even if it is raining, still good afternoon. That's when I see her in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. Oh, you traveled so far, I am sorry you're 25 minutes too late. Yeah, this is like one of those days without people in here, without any car in here. Yeah, that's because of the rain. Yeah, also there's no people. Yeah, sometimes there are cars even if there is rain. And like yesterday, I am supposed to go to the bike shop to fix the brake of this bike. But yeah, it is hassle, it's raining. Good afternoon. Oh, there's one kid in the bike. Yeah, nice. Good afternoon. And do you know that this bike is 1 year now? Yeah, 1 year. And I remember last year I went for vacation. Yeah, okay. So let's start. I bought this bike in Brookvale. That's near to Manly. $2,600 from 99 bikes. So I basically go there, yeah, and I put it in the ferry to go to Sydney Circular Quay, and then I drive it all the way to Central Station, and then from Central Station to Newcastle I took the train. Yeah, actually arrived in Newcastle around 10 o'clock already, and yeah, there is no more bus going to here, this place, Nelson Bay. So I stay in the hotel. I put this bike inside the room of the hotel and was good. After, and then in the morning I roam around Newcastle using this bike and continue driving all the way to here in Nelson Bay, and it took me 4 hours to drive from Newcastle to this place, Nelson Bay. Yeah, it was a good experience. Okay, let's stop here for a little bit. I am going to show you this bike. I don't know if you can see, but there is a pelican, no, 2 pelicans, and there is a cormorant. Yeah, nice. So this is my bike. The name is Cube Acid Hybrid 1400, and what I replaced the seat because the original one is not comfortable. Yeah, also this one is not included. I just put it. This one is coming from my other bike, from my previous bike. And this bike light, this is very helpful because I travel in the night and in the very early morning, so this is very helpful. And this basket also very helpful because yeah, this is where I put my camera, this thing. Sometimes I put food in here. This basket is coming from Kmart, and I just attach it using a zip tie. You can see that one. And this is a alarm, bike alarm. And inside, in this battery case, there is also like a Bluetooth GPS, something like that. Yeah, this bike is good. And if you notice, this is broken because I fell off last time. I had an accident with this bike. It fell off going down, and yeah, this one is broken, but not totally broken, just a scratch. And yeah, so far so good. I never had any problem And they actually not cleaning this all the time. Yeah, you notice that the chain is color rusty. Yeah, so this is a electric bike, and the battery lasts for up to 7 days in a fully charged for 6 hours charging, fully charged, and will last for up to 7 days. It depends on how much you use, but it actually can reach up to 50 kilometers in turbo and more than 100 kilometers if you are using the economy. Yeah, so that's the speed meter. No, not meter, that's the speed control. This one is Bosch. As you can see, Bosch active line. This is the motor. The other electric bikes, they have motors at the rear of the rear hub motor. Most electric bike are pedal assist. When it says pedal assist, it means that you need to pedal for the motor to work. I'm really satisfied with the electric bike. And if you don't know, I actually traveled using this electric bike from here all the way to Gold Coast and Brisbane. If you are planning to buy electric bike, try to go to electric bike shop, because most of them, they will let you try their electric bike for you to experience, and if you are satisfied, you can buy that. Here in Australia, the legal speed of the bike is 25 kilometers per hour. More than that is allowed only in the off-road. I remember my 2 previous electric bike, both of them are faster than this one, but this one is more powerful when it's going uphill. Because you know, this one, once you start to pedal, the motor of this starts to work and accelerate to go uphill. But those 2 previous electric bike that I have with the rear hub motor, they can't really go uphill. I mean, you need to have a proper distance from the bottom of the hill to go up. And you know, this electric bike, I have been using this even in the rain, even in the heavy rain. Yeah, sorry, thank you. Yeah, he's cleaning. And when it is raining, I am wearing this. I have this extra large jacket that I bought in Kmart. I bought extra large so that I can also fit in my backpack. Yeah, and then I have this trouser that I bought in Anaconda, and this is also waterproof. But be careful when you are using this, because sometimes this trouser goes to the chain and it's dangerous. It happens to me one time. Good thing I was prepared. Yeah, we're not going anymore to the town center. We are going uphill here now.